In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Elevenlabs account. Whether you're a first-time user or just need a refresher, I'll walk you through each step, ensuring you can easily navigate the process and set up your account successfully. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the official website for Elevenlabs. Just open up your preferred web browser and type in the website's address. This is your gateway to accessing all the tools and resources Elevenlabs has to offer. Take a moment to look around if you like, but our focus today is on setting up your account. Once you're on the homepage, look for the button that says Get Started for Free or Sign Up. It's usually prominently displayed, inviting new users to join. Click it when you find it. This will take you to the registration page where you can begin your sign-up process. Now you'll need to choose your preferred method for signing up. Elevenlabs typically allows you to sign up using an email address or through a social media account like Google or Facebook. Choose whichever option is most convenient for you. If you're signing up with an email, be sure to choose one that you regularly check, as subsequent steps will require you to verify this address. After you've made your selection and filled in the necessary details, you'll need to go through a verification process. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Elevenlabs. This is a crucial step to ensure your account is secure and active. Open the email and click on the link provided to verify your account. If you don't see the email right away, check in your spam or junk folder. It might have landed there by mistake. After successfully verifying your email, you'll be directed to your new dashboard. Congratulations, you're officially inside the world of Elevenlabs. The dashboard serves as your control center where you can explore various features and manage your account. To make the most out of your new account, it's worthwhile to complete your profile. This might include adding personal information, setting your preferences, or uploading a profile picture. Not only does this personalize your experience, but it may also unlock additional features that enhance how you interact with the platform. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up your Elevenlabs account. Remember, the platform is designed to support and extend your capabilities, so take some time to familiarize yourself with all its features once you're logged in. If you ever need to revisit this process or guide someone else through it, you'll know exactly what to do. Thanks for watching, and happy exploring on Elevenlabs.